channel and welcome back if you are new here. I am Libertad and I do all kinds of vlogs, lifestyle, and reviews, even some dance videos on occasion. But today's video is kind of like a winter reset, like a late winter reset. So I'm going to do a few new things to get started off for the month of February. I'm going to try a different look, getting ready for spring. I'm going to try some pastels. I feel excited about spring that will be here hopefully very soon. And we're going to use this pastel palette for my makeup look of the day. To do for winter reset is paint my nails. It's something I very rarely do, but I like to do it on occasion. It just makes my whole look feel that much more put together, and it's something I don't usually take the time to do. finished cleaning and organizing my room, and I just wanted to show this cute little cabinet that or not cabinet, but like shelf that's made for bag organizing, but of course you could use it for anything. But I think it is really cute, and it was like 30 minutes to assemble, and you can see you can hook bags on the side and on the top, and then it has shelves, and it holds like my bigger bags. It works really great for organizing all of that stuff. It's kind of like works great like a little station. Like you could put this by your front door or something like that and have your hats and different things you need, kind of like a coat rack almost. But yeah, I was sent this in exchange for a review, so this is not that review, but I just wanted to show this anyway in this video. But yeah, I really am happy with this. This is pretty much exactly what I needed in this corner right here.